everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be mentioning the things that even if you yourself you are doing these things, you will know that you will never succeed on this YouTube journey. You get frustrated, you even quit this journey if you are doing all these things that I'm going to be mentioning. So if you are in this category, you have to change your mindset. You have to change the way you think before, because you have to be positive in whatever you do in life. The mentality of you saying, oh, I'm looking for subscriber, let me first get subscriber first before I now start looking for watch hour. Why are you differentiating the two? Is it not that view that will give you that subscriber or that watch hour? So you thinking that I want to first get that subscriber first. After I focus on that 1,000 subscriber, I will now start looking for that 4,000 watch hour. That's very wrong of you. Want to focus on good content instead of focusing on one. If you post good content, that good content will give you subscriber, that good content will give you watch hour. Because if you are not having views, how do you expect to get subscribers? Nobody's watching your video now. How do you expect? So you can't determine what you are going to get first. If you are going to get that subscriber or you are going to get that watch hour, you don't know the one that you are going to get first. So focus on your video quality, focus on your audio quality, focus on your editing, focus on your thumbnail, focus on your title, focus on your description. So if you are focusing on that instead of focusing on subscriber or watch hour, you get the two. One video can give you 100,000 watch hour. One video can give you 100 watch hour. Video can give you 5,000 watch hour. One video can give you 5,000 subscribers, and one video can give you 1,000 subscribers. So stop panicking. Stop thinking that okay, I just want to focus on one. You can have it all. Another thing is, if you're always thinking that, oh, I have low views, I don't have subscribers, I have only 100 views, I have only 50 views. Do you know what 50 views means? At least 50 people entered your video. You don't know where they are from. Maybe they are from US, maybe they are from UK, maybe they are from India, maybe they are from Australia, maybe they are from Kenya, maybe they are from Nigeria. People are all over the world. Someone in the world saw you out there. You are as at least one new person sees you. That's what you should be thankful for. So thank the people that even subscribe to your channel. Thank the people that are even watching your video instead of focusing on people that are not focused on your video, that are not watching your video, that are not subscribed, that you don't have yet. Focus on the people that you have. It's people that you have that will bring in more people. Have you ever heard of referral? Have you ever had two people, two creators, two YouTubers talking about one person, one other YouTuber? So that's the power of referral. And people will be like, oh, I've not heard of him. Oh, let me go and check him out. Oh, he's really good. Wow, let me go and check this channel out. So work on referral. Work based on referral. Focus on your good content, like I said earlier. If you think that 100 views is too small, stand in front of 100 strangers and see how hard it is to talk to people. So you are out there, you see 100 views and you are not grateful. If you see 20 views, sef, be grateful. View is view, either low or high. Even people that are having high views started from somewhere. If you think that, oh, all the video that this person have posted on this channel have thousands of views or have thousands of subscribers or have thousands of watch hour, let me tell you, that channel might not be that person's first channel. If you are envying someone, do you know how many times that person have failed? So you thinking that this person has it easy. Any video he posts, any video she posts, she's having view. He knows about YouTube. She knows about YouTube. Most of the people that you are envying have even failed at some point of their time. They have started from the scratch, just like you are starting from the scratch. So don't think that your humble beginning does not matter. They have had their own. They have built other channels that you self you don't know of. They have made mistakes on other channels. So they have mastered the art of YouTube. So you that you are on your first channel, you that you are on your first year or second year or third year, you are thinking that, oh, but this person created a channel 2 months ago and she's already having views. Is there something that this person is not telling me? There's nothing that person is not telling you. That person might even be bringing traffic from other platforms. That person might be a big content creator on, let's say, Facebook or TikTok, and that person might be driving all his viewers from that platform to YouTube. So stop envying people. I did not say you should not have mentor. You should even have people that are in your niche that you look up to. At least have like 3 to 5 people that are in your niche that you are looking up to. Look for competitors, people that you know that they are doing the same thing that you are doing, that will push you. Sometimes you don't have idea of what you are going to be doing in your video, but you just see them doing this, and due to you get your inspiration, you have mentor, have a coach, have someone that you think of. If you don't know, you need to have at least 3 to 5 people from your country that are doing the same thing that you are. You need to be subscribed to their channel, you need to be watching their video, you need to be seeing the way they are editing, the way they are filming their video, the way they are scripting, the way they are talking. You need to look up to them so that you too you get better at what you are doing, so that you judge yourself by looking at their content that okay, me too, I want to get better at this. Let me see if I can make my video quality as bright as this person that I'm watching presently. Let me see if I can get to where this person is. So look up to someone. You need a coach on here. Don't think that you can do it by yourself. So just coming on YouTube, checking video randomly is not going to cut it. Look for someone that has passed through that stage that you are in. Look for someone that have, let's say you want to go into a lifestyle vlog, you want to be doing all this lifestyle content. Look for someone that is into lifestyle content that you can be doing what he or she is doing. I'm not saying you should be copying totally, but at least there's nothing new under the sun. Everything, every content that you think that, oh, I brought this idea on here on YouTube, someone before you have brought it there. So you self sit down and view what your competitors are doing and grow, rise above it, do something that you too you'll be able to level up. So have someone in your country that is into what you two are into. Have someone outside your country also, like 3 to 5 people outside your country that you look up to, that if they wake you up in the night, that who is your mentor on YouTube, you'll be able to mention them. Who is your coach on YouTube? Who are you aspiring to be like? You'll be like, oh, I can name 3 from my country and 3 outside my country. So that you self, you not just be putting your country's touch, because you want your content to go outside your country. So you want to watch what other creators that are in your niche outside your country are doing, so that you will be able to even get better at yourself. So from now on, go and think, who are the 3 people from your country and outside your country that you are looking up to. Another thing is, give it time. You want everything to happen fast fast. You want everything to happen fast fast. What you don't know that is that some video will just never grow. No matter the value that is in that video, no matter your efforts, no matter how much you spent recording that video, it might never grow. So if you know that mentality that, oh, it's not every video that will grow, so that mentality will make you rise, will make you not feel discouraged, because if you don't know, you just keep refreshing your analytics. You keep thinking that, oh, this video did not go. Oh, what happened to this video? It will stop you from progressing. It will stop you from making more videos. Not all video will progress. Not all video will grow on YouTube. Not all videos. It takes time. People that you think that, but it did not take time for this person to get this, it did not take time for this person to do that. Do you know if that is the first channel that that person is running in the person's life? Do you know if that person paid someone to coach them or to guide them? So you don't know what is happening to that person in real world, in real life. You don't know how much that person have put into getting better at what they are doing. So you yourself, give it time. Another reason you will never grow on here is switching niche, moving from year to year, moving from year to year. You just, because you are not growing on here, you will move to another niche. If you still did not go there, you go back to that other niche. Today you post car, tomorrow you post how to cook, next tomorrow you post how to make hair, upper tomorrow you post how to do makeup. YouTube will even be confused. You are confusing the algorithm. YouTube will not know if that video of how you are making makeup, maybe that's the place that YouTube will suggest your video to, and the new video that you are making is about car. YouTube will be confused. YouTube will not know your audience, so YouTube will not know where to take your video to take your video to people you are showing how to make car, how to cook rice, how to grow on YouTube, how to go to a party. YouTube will not know where you are confusing the algorithm. So YouTube will be cleaning and starting again. Okay, this channel is about YouTube growth. No, today you should not post about YouTube growth. Okay, this channel, maybe this channel wants to now start posting lifestyle vlog. Another day, cleaned it again. So you are confusing the algorithm. You have to stay focused. Even if you are not getting views on that particular niche, just know that you will get better. So the last thing I want to be mentioning is that you don't have any strategy. You are not working smart. You are just working hard. You are burning your data. You are wasting your time. You don't have strategy. If you don't know YouTube, you need to have strategy on here if you want to grow on YouTube. If you want to make it on here, it's not by working every day, it's not by posting every day. You have to think, what is the kind of thing that my audience wants. Okay, if I post a video of how to cook today and tomorrow I post of how to prep my meal, which one are people really watching? Is it how to prep my meal or how to cook, or when I was eating that food, which one did I really get views on? You know, all these three things that I've mentioned is still in the same niche: cooking, prepping meal, and eating. That's still the same niche. So you think that, oh, which one should I do? Which one at least gave me highest view? If you are not having thousands of views, yes, don't compare with thousands of views. Even if it's 100 view that you had, that is your highest, you should work on creating more videos that are like that one. So you have to have strategy, and you have to master the art of storytelling. Storytelling, no matter the niche that you have to let it flow from one topic to another, from one thing to another. It's not like you say one thing and you sit down for 5 minutes, think before you say the other thing. You have to know how you connect the dots, how you move from one topic to another, from one thing to another, and you have to be focused on the problem that you faced and you have overcome. So people on here, if you are not vulnerable, they will not watch your video. If they see that you are not speaking out of pain, out of what they too they are passing through, they might not watch your video. So every day you are here sharing your sources, you are sharing your sources. Okay, how to get views now, and you're not getting views. They'll be like, but this person is not having views. So how will she teach me how to get views? They will not watch that video. How to get views, and how your video sef is having less than 20 or 50 views, they'll be like, if she really knows how to get views, why didn't she get views? So they will not click on that videos, obviously. So instead of you focusing on how to get views and you have no views presently, why don't you focus on how you got your subscribers? Maybe you already have like 10,000 subscribers. Okay, like in this video I will teach you how to get your subscribers. Fine, they will relate to that, that okay, we are saying evidence. They want evidence on this page. Okay, how you got monetized, instead of you focusing on how how to get views and you're not having views and you're already monetized, why don't you make videos that are related to getting monetized on YouTube? Leave views for now. Focus on that problem that you yourself have passed through, so that you put yourself in their shoe, so that everything you'll be saying self will be real, will be true life experience. Chances are that what you yourself you are finding it difficult, someone else too is also finding it difficult. Don't be ashamed to put your story out there. Something that you think that people will laugh on. Okay, I made a video, and when I edited it finish, I just thought to myself that I don't want to post this video. This video, I don't think it will get views. You don't know if that's the video that will announce you to the world. You don't know if that's the video that people will get to watch and like your content. So if you don't achieve your goal within a specified time, let's say you give yourself time, 6 months, I will be monetized on this my channel, and after 6 months you are not monetized yet. Don't give up. Just know that you need a new goal and work towards that goal, because you are not alone. Do you know the amount of people that is on YouTube passing through that same problem that you are passing through? So sometimes just make a video that you just show your real world, show them things that you are passing through, show them your pain, and people that are passing through that pain will be able to connect till the end of your video. They'll be able to relate to your video, make relatable content. So with all these I've mentioned, did you find value? Did I speak to you directly? If you found this video helpful, please click on the subscription button and notification button, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I teach you on strategies you can use to grow here on YouTube. We work smartly on here and we do not gatekeep. Thank you for always watching my videos, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.